Children, we will study about the balanced and unbalanced force in this video. As you can see in the picture, a wooden box is shown on the horizontal table and it is tied with the two strings X and Y in the opposite faces of the block. If we apply the force by pulling the string X, box being to move in the right to the right, and if we pull the string Y, the block moves to the left. But if the block is pulled from both the sides with equal forces, the block will not move. Such forces are called balanced forces and do not change the state of the rest of motion of an object. Begin the pull and pull. Two opposite forces of the different magnitude pull the block. In this case, the block would begin to move in the direction of the great force. That unbalanced force acting on the object bring it in motion. The push and you can see in the picture, the children, they are pulling the box. You can see in the picture, children are trying to push a wooden box on a rough floor. They push the box with a small force. The box does not move because the friction acting in the direction opposite to the push. The frictional force arises between the two surfaces in contact, and it balances the pushing force, and therefore box does not move. The friction force still balances. The children are hitting the box very hard, but still the frictional force is balancing. When the pushing force become bigger than the frictional force, then there is an unbalanced force, so the box start moving. In the same example, we see when we stop pedaling the bicycle become slow down. The unbalanced force applied on the object, there will be a change either in its speed or in the direction of the motion. Thus, unbalanced force is the unequal and opposite force